Hey guys, this is Kent Share here in Blessed Farm. Hey, we started out today. This is the 3rd of February, and we're tilling up the garden area, and we're planting our onions, get them in the ground, and then in a week we're going to have our cabbage. It's getting ready to be able to plant. So let me get with you. Here we go. This part here is Sherry's herb garden area, and then from here on down will be our onions. We've got our onion slips here. We're laying them in the ground. We're going to restagger ours back and forth across the rows. So one here, and then one here, and all the way across. Stagger all the way down the rows until we finish up pulling 400 onion slips. Get us through next year. So there you go, guys. That's our garden getting started on this beautiful, beautiful day in February. We had a really bad cold snap here, so we had to slow down on our planting. We did get our onions in, and we got our cabbage in, and next week we're going to start on our potatoes, get our potatoes in the ground. So it's looking pretty good. Like I said, we had to slow down because of the cool weather. We had some really, really cold weather, lots of rain. So we kind of got rained out a bit. Our cabbage, you're going to see, we had to replant our cabbage. Our chickens got in there, and they've never done this, but they got in and ate every little leaf that was on every one of our cabbages. So we're hoping some are coming back, so we might not have to replant all of them, but we'll show you that. But I just want to give you a quick little look at the garden and us getting started and getting it all plowed up and under and rowed up, and all of our stuff starting to plant. Plant's a little early here in East Texas, but we're excited. We're excited for the rest of you to show us how your gardens are doing. So we'll keep you updated and keep you going. And remember that our seed swap's coming up. We had to push it back a couple weeks because of the weather. We want everybody to be excited about spring and getting their plants in the ground. So it's still coming, and we'll get there with you guys. So I appreciate y'all being here. Appreciate y'all subscribing. You got any questions, put them down below in the comments. And hey man, we love y'all. Y'all live well, and of course and always, man, God bless. Talk to y'all real soon.